In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete items from your Roblox inventory the right way. Whether you've collected too many accessories, want to clean up your wardrobe, or you simply want to remove items you no longer use, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Roblox account and go to your inventory. You can do this by clicking the menu icon in the top left corner and selecting Inventory from the list. Once you're there, look through the categories on the left side, things like accessories, classic clothing, faces, passes, and more. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the category that contains the item you want to delete. For example, if you want to remove a classic t-shirt, click on Classic Clothing, then choose Classic T-shirts. When you see the item you want to delete, click on it. You'll now see a page that shows the item details. At the top right corner, click the three dots. You'll see an option that says Delete from Inventory. This feature helps you permanently remove items you no longer want. Just remember, once you delete something, you do not get your Robux back. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the item you're deleting isn't something you created yourself. Some user-created items cannot be deleted due to Roblox restrictions. Also, double-check the item before confirming the deletion. Doing this beforehand can save you from accidentally deleting something valuable. Once you've completed these steps, click Yes when Roblox asks for confirmation. After that, the page will refresh and the item will disappear from your inventory. If you ever return to that item's page, you may see the Buy button again, confirming it's been removed. It's also a good idea to check a few other items to understand which ones Roblox allows you to delete and which ones it doesn't. This keeps your inventory organized and prevents confusion. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to delete unwanted items from your Roblox inventory easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?